Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss some creative questions from higher mathematics for the students of class 9 and 10. The content from the exercise 2 algebraic expressions. In the last few content we have done number 1 to number 11, and today I am going to discuss question number 12, which is creative questions. So first information given here. The polynomial f of x, y, z equal x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Show that f of xyz is a cyclic expression. So first attention to the question number 1, number A, and 12 number A. First of all, you have to know what is cyclic expression. Cyclic expression means if we think here three variables x and y and z, and if we changes x to y and y to z and z to x, what will be final result? Okay, number A, first write here the given information. Given that f of x, y, z is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. And now changing x to y, y to z and z to x, we get, okay, changing the variable in cyclic order. Now f of y, z, x will be x to y, this one is y cube, plus y to z, this one will be z cube, plus x cube minus 3yzx. Okay, now give attention in the first one and the next one. After changing the variable, what we see here, x cube, y cube, z cube, x cube, y cube, z cube, minus 3yzx equal minus 3xyz, and which is equal to f of x, y, z. So after changing the variable x to y, y to z, z to x, just we see here the previous one and the last one both are same. So we can say here, so f of x, y, z is, as far as requirement, is cyclic expression. Cyclic shown. So actually this is the condition for cyclic expression. If you change the variable, first one to second one, second one to third one, third one to fourth one, and after changing variable, if you see the final result is same with the previous result of the given information, then the expression or polynomial will be cyclic polynomial or cyclic expression. Now give attention to the number B. Number B, factorize f of x, y, z, and the first part, second part, if of x, y, z equals to and x plus y plus z not equals to 0, then show that x square plus y square plus z square equal xy plus yz plus z of x. So first we will do now first part. If f of x, y, z equals 0, sorry, okay, we can start now number B. This one will be number B, and f of x, y, z equals to 0. So requirement is now if f of first information, factorize f of x, y, z. Sorry, given here f of x equals 0, first part. Now do simplification here. First consider x cube plus y cube as a cube plus b cube. So you can write here x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y, and the remaining here z cube and minus 3xyz. Now you can write here like this, x plus y plus z, and this is the x y z shape. Okay, now x cube x plus y whole cube and plus z cube, and here the middle part and the second one and fourth one you can take here common, minus 3xy. There will be remaining x plus y and there will only z. So taking x, so minus xy common, so here remaining z, and here you can see xyz. Now what you see here, x plus y whole cube plus z cube. So consider this one is a and this one is a b. So again you can apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, and so this one will be a plus b. Then second bracket is square x is square minus ab. So BA or AB both are same, and then B square. Think using the formula A cube plus B cube, A plus B square minus AB plus B square, and here minus 3xy, then sorry minus 3xy, and inside the bracket there will be x plus y plus z. Now what we can take here common, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. So we can take this one x plus y plus z, this one is common. So remaining part here x plus y whole square. So you can write here the formula a plus b whole square equal, or x square plus twice xy plus y square, and just do multiply here, minus yz, sorry minus zx, minus zx minus zy and plus z square, and here remaining 3xy. Now do simple calculation here, x plus y plus z equal x square plus y square plus z square, and there will be minus twice xy minus 3xy, so you can write minus xy minus yz minus zx. Actually this is the answer of first part. And here requirement, find the factorize f of x, y, z. So how many factors here? Two factors. The first one is x plus y plus z, and second one is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. And this is the answer of first part. Now give attention to the second part. If f of x, y, z equals 0, and then x plus y plus z not equals to 0. Okay, give attention to the second part. This is our first part is complete. Now attention, second part. Given, so you can write here second part. Here given f of x, y, z equal 0. So just you can find the left side two factors of this one from first part, x plus y plus z, then x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, and this one equals to 0. So you can divide both sides by x plus y plus z, because the here information x plus y plus z not equals to 0. So you can divide both sides with the x plus y plus z. So remaining part is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus minus xy minus yz minus zx equals to 0. Dividing both sides with the x plus y plus z. So now change all negative part to right side, left side to x square plus y square plus z square equal xy plus yz plus zx, and which is our final requirement of the second part. So this is shown. Okay, now give attention to the number C. Actually C number question is the same question as the given in your textbook, number 9. So using number 9, just they made here a creative question, and so give attention to the number 9. Okay, number C, and this is the 12C. If x equal to y equal to z equals to, then show that. Okay, first write the given information. Given that x equal b plus c minus a, y equal c plus a, c plus a minus b, and z equal a plus b minus c. Then show that f of abc equal ratio f of xyz is 1:4. Okay, first information you can write here f of x, y, z, z equal the give formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is the given information here. So you can apply the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So there are two formulas. We will apply here the corollary form. So there will be if half times of x plus y plus z, then second bracket x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square is the formula. Now apply the value of x, y, z. This is the half. The x equal b plus c minus a plus c plus a minus b plus a plus b minus c. X, y, and z. Now here x minus z whole square. So right here x minus z. First b plus c minus a as b plus c minus a, then minus y. So before y you have to multiply with minus c minus a minus c minus a, there will be plus b, and now and plus write the second one y minus z. So c plus a minus b, c plus a minus b minus z. So minus a minus b, and there will be plus c. As last one z minus a. So there will be a plus b minus c minus b minus c, and z minus x. There will be plus a whole square. Now do simple calculation inside the bracket half. Just now eliminate the plus 1 and minus a and plus a plus b minus b plus c minus c. What we see here now, this will be a plus b plus c. The second bracket here, so if we eliminate here c and c, here we can eliminate here a and a, here we can eliminate here b and b. What we see here, twice b minus twice a. So twice b minus twice a here, and then plus here twice c minus twice b, twice c minus twice b whole square, and finally third one twice a minus twice c whole square. Okay, just now common here half times of a plus b plus c. If we take here common like 2 twice b minus a, and if we 2 here common, then if we find out the 2, there will be 2 square, that means 4, and b plus minus a whole square and a minus b whole square both are same. Like if you write here b minus c whole square or b minus a whole square equal b square minus twice b a plus a square, and if you write here a minus b whole square equal a square minus twice ab plus b square. Just give attention, both are same. The total value of b minus a whole square equal a minus b whole square. That's why in time of b minus a we can write here a minus b. So if we don't see here the algebraic expression is not in cyclic order, so you have to arrange the all variable in cyclic order. B minus a definitely not cyclic order. This one will be a minus b, and this one will be b minus c, and this one will be c minus a. Just first take common 2, and then 2 square will be 4. So here you can write, and here you can write 4a minus b whole square plus 4b minus c whole square plus 4c minus a whole square. Okay, now just take common 4 from first, second, third part. So you can write here 4 here, and then have same a plus b plus c, and taking the 4 common, and there will be now a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square, and finally this one will be 4. And from half to this one, and this is a formula of f of a b, f of a. So first you can write here, okay, first you can write the structure of the formula. This one will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and which is definitely 4 times of f of a, b and c. So finally from f of xyz we found here f of 4 times of f of a, b, c. So now write as far as quotients. So definitely f of a, b, c ratio f times of x, y, z. So if you divide f of abc by f of x, y, z, you will get here 4 divided by 1. So definitely if we do cross multiplication, okay, just give attention. First we can do this one as a fraction, then we will do cross multiplication. So now f of a, b, c divided by f of x, y, z equals to, so f of abc times with 4, so there will be times as a 4 if we do cross multiplication. F of x, y, z is invisible 1 times. So now just do cross multiplication, you will get this line, and finally you can write here requirement f of a, b, c is to f of x, y, z equals to 1:4, and which is our final answer. So already this question basically is like as the question number 9 given in your textbook. So using this one they have done here creative questions, and this number be given in your exercise, and using this formula we have to do number 8 and number 9. So thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. If you have any question, please do comments. So hopefully see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.